Are you ready to sing the alphabet?
Yay!
Let's learn our ABCs from A all the way.
A is for apple, red and sweet. A is for apple, yummy to eat. B is for ball, bounce, bounce, bounce. B is for ball, let's play and pounce. C is for cat, soft and small. C is for cat, meow to us all. Meow.
D is for dog, happy and bright. D is for dog, woof, woof, what a sight.
D is for dog.
Happy and bright.
D is for dog. Woof, woof, what a sight.
E is for elephant, big and strong. E is for elephant, come sing along. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. F is for fish, swimming happily.
G is for giraffe, so tall and grand.
G is for giraffe, with a long, long stand. H is for house, where families stay. H is for house, hip, hip, hooray! I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. I is for ice cream, a treat to hold. J is for Jeep, driving down the road. J is for Jeep, let's go, go, go. J is for Jeep. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. K is for kangaroo, never wants to stop.
L is for lion, king of the land. L is for lion, roar, isn't he grand?
M is for moon, shining at night. M is for moon, glowing bright. N is for nest, cozy and small. N is for nest, a home for them all. O is for orange, round and sweet. O is for orange, a tasty treat. P is for penguin, waddling around. P is for penguin, waddle, waddle sound.
Q is for queen, wearing her crown. Q is for queen, the nicest in town. R is for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. R is for rabbit, hop until you stop.
S is for sun, shining so bright. S is for sun, what a lovely sight. Look everyone, it's the letter T. T is for tiger, happy and free. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. U is for umbrella, under the rainy sky. V is for violin, music we play. V is for violin, let's dance today.
W is for whale, swimming in the blue.
W is for whale, saying hello to you. X is for xylophone, ding, ding, ding. X is for xylophone, listen to it sing. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Y is for yo-yo, spin it around.
Z is for zebra, black and white.
Z is for zebra, what a lovely sight.
We did it!
We learned the alphabet from A to Z.
We love ABCs. A to Z, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun.
Wonderful singing, little learners. Bye-bye. See you next time.